Have you ever looked at your bank balance and thought, where the heck it all go? You're not alone. In fact, 63% of Americans wouldn't be able to handle a $500 emergency right now. Let that sink in. And here is the kicker. It's not because they are lazy. It's not because they are reckless. It's because saving money, especially your first thousand, feels impossible when you're drowning in bills, debt, and life. But I'm going to show you something different today. Something real. Something that actually works, even if you live paycheck to paycheck. Let's go. Why $1,000 matter? Now you might be thinking, what difference can $1,000 make? It makes all the difference. $1,000 is more than just a number. It's proof. Proof that you are in control. Proof that you can build discipline. Proof that you are not stuck anymore. That first $1,000 is your first taste of freedom. It's your starter emergency fund. It's your buffer between chaos and calm. And once you got there, everything changes. Meet Mark, the story of almost giving up. Let me tell you a story. Mark was 29, worked full-time, made decent money, but every month he was broke before the 15th. Credit card debt? Yep. Random Amazon buys? Guilty. Fast food 3 nights a week? You bet. One day, his car broke down. He needed $800 to fix it. He didn't have it, so he put it on a credit card at 24% interest. And that's when it hit him. He earned enough. He just didn't know where it was all going. Sound familiar? The $1,000 plan, what actually worked? Mark didn't go extreme. He didn't cut out electricity or live on beans. He followed a 3-step plan. Simple, doable, repeatable. Step 1. Track every dollar for 30 days. No budgeting app, just pen, paper or notes on your phone. You can't fix what you don't see. Mark was shocked to find he spent over $250 a month on stuff he didn't even remember buying. Step 2. Cut the obvious leaks. Subscriptions he forgot, gone. Ordering food 5 times a week, cut it to 1. Random online shopping, pause all cards from apps. Boom, saved $300 in the first month. Step 3. Create a no-touch savings trap. Mark opened a new savings account at a different bank. He automated $10 a day into it. Out of sight, out of mind. Within 3 months, he had $1,000. And more importantly, confidence. Building momentum. Here is the thing. Once you save your first $1,000, you realize, I can do more. Mark didn't stop there. He started meal prepping. He sold old tech he didn't use. He took a weekend gig delivering groceries. 3 hours a week, $150 extra. Not only did he stay out of the red, he stacked another $500 on top of his emergency fund. And for the first time in years, he slept better. He breathed easier. He stopped fearing the end of the month. The mindset shift. You don't need to be rich to save. You need to be consistent. Saving money isn't about restriction. It's about permission to take care of your future self. So here is your mindset shift. Don't ask, how do I save more? Ask, how do I make saving automatic? Because when you remove the decision making, you remove the resistance. Even $5 a day matters. Even $2 a day matters. You're not bad with money. You're just untrained. And training starts now. Your $1,000 action plan. Let's wrap this up with your blueprint. Track your spending for the next 30 days. Cancel at least 3 unnecessary expenses. Set up an automatic daily or weekly savings transfer. Sell 3 things you don't use. Commit to 1 small money habit this week. That's it. That's the game. No fancy spreadsheets, no magic tricks, just small wins. Stack daily. Your first $1,000 isn't out of reach. It's just waiting for a new decision. And once you hit that mark, you'll never go back to being broke again. So start today. Not tomorrow, not next month, today. If this helped you, hit that like button. Subscribe for more real money talk, the kind they should have taught in school. And drop a comment below. How close are you to your first $1,000? Let's build together. You got this.